Whoever invented the jack was a genius. The principle is fairly simple.
But first, if you like big brain ideas, please subscribe Weifu channel for more.
To understand how a jack works, we have to first understand Pascal's law, also known as the principle of liquid pressure. Simply put, if you apply pressure to one piston, the other piston will necessarily produce the same pressure increment. If the second piston is larger, then the pressure generated will naturally be greater. Let's visualize this a bit more and assume that the small piston has a diameter of 10 centimeters and the large piston has a diameter of 100 centimeters. Note, here's the kicker. The force you exert in the small piston is then transferred through the fluid to the large piston, and the point is that this force is doubled by a factor of 100. What's even more amazing is that this does not violate the law of conservation of energy at all. And why is that? In fact, we look at the up and down distance of the two pistons can be understood. The small piston down 50 centimeters, the big piston just up 0.5 centimeters. This is the basic principle of the hydraulic jack. But in practice, we cannot make the height of the small piston is very high, so the jack is mostly used to rocker to pressurize the small piston, and the rocker uses the principle of leverage, but also to further save energy. Then the question comes again, how to ensure that the pressure exerted by the rocker does not run away? This is very simple. We just need to add 2 check valves inside the cylinder can be, so that we back and forth down the rocker to the small piston pressure, hydraulic oil can flow smoothly through the check valve into the large piston to achieve the effect of the 4 2-pounds. If we are a little more crazy, the small piston made smaller, not to mention a few tons of weight of the car, perhaps even the earth can top up, do you think?